Good morning. We're on the paver job this morning. It's January in Florida. A little brisk today, sweatshirt weather. So I'm about to show you what we're gonna do today. Okay, so we had to remove all these pavers and get ready to extend the driveway that we did about a month ago or so. We're gonna continue these pavers up into this area and redo the whole thing. The tarps are here because we've had a lot of rain and this has been exposed for a little while, and trying to keep the washout. But first we're gonna start with taking these bricks out. They are anchored in and not coming out, so I gotta saw them off and remove the concrete anchors and all the ones that are still stuck, and prep this area. And then once the pavers are delivered here shortly, we will fill this all in. So we ran into some issues, and now I understand why these pavers were sinking and lifting at the same time. So as you can see, there's not a lot of concrete fines on the edge by the fence. It's mostly dirt. So we're gonna go and repack that, dig it out, put some more concrete fines in there, and level this whole area out here and make it a little smoother. And down here, they were lifting because there's this big old root sitting right here. So we're gonna have to break out the Sawzall and cut that out and cut some more out over here. There's more roots in here. So get that taken care of, put more concrete fines in there, and level that all out. Then over here, I'm gonna have to, got most of it cut off. I'll have to come back in with a little grinder because my concrete saw is just a little too large for these tight areas, and I definitely don't want to hit any of the plumbing and stuff. So I'll cut those out with a grinder and then use a concrete grinder bit to smooth it out so that I can get the pavers nice and flush. But we're getting there, getting there. Interesting story. The pavers for this job have just been delivered to my house. So now I've got to wait another hour or two for them to redeliver them to the job site. So this is going to be a fun day. But in the interim, I got everything prepped. So those are grinded and cut. Removed all of the bricks from the mortared concrete. And now I'm just waiting for pavers. It's been a lot of fun, and I'm a little irritated. I think I'm grinding my teeth because I'm a little stressed out. I think I got a lazy eye thing going on right now. I'm just like, I just lost an entire day. But that happens, and we'll just work with it. So at least they're here, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. But yeah, we'll get them laid probably starting Wednesday and finally get this job done, and maybe I'll stop biting my teeth. All right, back to work.